From the moment we locked eyes till you placed your heart.
I have bitchin' sauce, avocado, and soy rizo. I'm gonna make this last one. And then Maria and Chase went to go put my laundry in the dryer because they're angels. And also Maria made me some matcha. So yeah, I'm really excited for this taco. Okay, we're gonna play this game. Do you wanna play? Mm-hmm. Play it. We're not really strangers.
Great game, actually.
Thank you. It is a really great game. And we're gonna dive to level 3 because we're feeling really vulnerable today, aren't we? Every single time we play, we're like,
Level 3.
level 3, we're crazy. Okay, ready? Pick a card, any card.
Okay. If we were in a band, what would our name be?
Oh, easy. Easy, come on the count of 3, we'll get it.
1, 2, 3.
Not a cult. All right, now I'll pick
Now
one.
you pick one.
Okay. That's so funny. I love that you both know. Oh, both players write a note to your younger selves. 1 minute. Option, and then compare. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Dear BB Sarah, be your authentic self instead of trying to fit in with others. You will be lonely for a little bit, but you'll eventually find your people. Follow your dreams. Don't listen to the fears of your parents, teachers, or friends. Trust yourself. Love, older Sarah.
Oh, I love
I ran
that.
out of time.
I
had more to
know.
say, but
I know, same. I was like, okay, so note to myself. Hi, Maria Jose. I hope you're feeling great today. I'm here to tell you to live your life, be free, cry, scream, and laugh until you pee your pants. You're perfect the way you are. Never forget that.
wow, that's a beautiful. You're a good writer, Maria Jose.
Thank you, friend. Okay, what do I need to hear right now?
So you're going back to Tennessee to visit family, and I think my experience with going back to family is that it can be startling in a way because on the road you attract and you get to be very specific with the people you hang out with, where you find a lot of like-minded people, and sometimes family, like, I know that it's different.
Yeah.
So I think maybe you need to hear that in this upcoming phase of your life, your feelings are valid and that your authentic self is beautiful and that your thoughts are so wise and wonderful and amazing, and just that there are people, like, obviously you've met these people, but sometimes it's nice to remember that there are people that see your version of reality and that your version of reality is so valid and real and true.
That's very
Do you
good.
like that?
I like that.
What do you have for us?
So,
Oh my god, look at the tiny little lime.
Oh, that's cute.
Good job, babe.
I have chili lime and pink Himalayan salt rimmed mezcal margs.
Wow.
There's no ice in them, so they're a little warm.
I have ice. Should I go
Oh
grab
yeah,
some?
if you've got ice, then for sure, then it'll take it up a notch.
I think the ice is gonna take it.
Oh,
to the
for
next
sure,
level.
For sure. I only need 1 ball of ice. Thank you.
Oh, good, because there's only, there's 3. Who's the queen today?
You.
Not me.
You.
Oh my god, that's too much ice. No, it's all right. No, it's okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. No, I'll keep it. I'll keep it.
She just wiped her vagina outside.
I
No, she didn't.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
So I come out of her bed. She's like, I'm gonna change really quick. So she goes inside. I stay outside, and then I see water coming out of her van, and I thought it was a gray tank, right? And I'm like, damn, Sarah's gray tank is all the way over here. And then I notice I get to the back, and there's like a dry space in between the van and the water. And I was like, oh, it was like a waterfall of pee.
Oh my god.
Coming from the back of the van.
Who has stinkier
Speaking of car.
farts? Who has stinkier farts? You
Maria
or
Jose.
you?
Key? Are you insane? No, it depends of the day. Today is you definitely.
Yeah, no, my ass is really awful today. My intestines are fucking
But
rotting.
we were inside the van earlier when I was sitting in, and I farted, and I went,
There's-
no!
Tim.
She goes, don't breathe. And I'm like, so you want me to like put it in my mouth?
Swallow your fart
Yeah,
particles?
taste them. Taste that shit particulate. You know that, right? So methane gas, what we fart, has absolutely no smell. When you smell a fart, it's shit particulate that you're actually like
So I
smelling.
don't have a lot of shit particulate.
4 times a year.
I only have 4 stinky farts. Exactly 4. I count.
If Sarah farts in her van and no one's around to smell it, do they really fart or do they really smell?
Who knows?
Apparently.
Oh, it was white sand and deep blue waves. We were running up the shore. Sun glints on sparkling faces. I don't feel or see anymore. I don't feel or see anymore. To be young, to be young. We're just leaves floating on down the stream. My job, my house, my car, my whole social scene. So
We
high
made a GIF that's getting uploaded into Facebook and
Instagram.
Slack and Instagram's API by way of Jiffy for Sarah.
What does it say?
Well, if it'll ever pop up here, it's taking its dear sweet time, but we can show you the animation here. It says, "Not your nips, go vegan."
Wow, that's
How cool is that? And the coolest thing of all are the, it's pending moderation, so it has to meet their guidelines. We'll see. I'm sure it will.
Oh, you think it will?
I think it will.
Friend of you.
Let me do.
Love you. I just spent the morning journaling and writing. I have 2 different journals. One of them is where I just write all of my thoughts and adventures, and the other one is a little more constructed where I have 2 kind of pages, and one of them is my calendar, so what I've done every day, what I need to do, and one of them is gratitude, where every single day I write something I'm grateful for. So I just kind of like delved into both of these journals this morning, and I also wrote like a little snippet and short story about some things I've been thinking about that I wanted to share. I hate small talk. I like to dive deep. I want to know about your fears, your childhood, your wildest dreams. I want to know what you think about when you can't go to bed at night and what makes you excited when you wake up. I want to hear about the most recent book you read. Why do you like it? Why do you not? I went on a hike to a waterfall with some friends in Utah and met a girl named Zoe. We talked about sex and sexuality, and I like talking about sex and sexuality. Partially because I like sex, and partially because growing up in Texas, it never felt acceptable to talk about liking sex, or kissing a girl, or masturbating. But sexual energy is beautiful and sacred, and in this season of life, I'm giving myself full permission to express my sexuality however I desire, and talk openly about it with new friends or online. Sex is natural, but it's so often attached with shame, guilt, and judgment. Words like slut and teaching abstinence in schools contribute to our unhealthy views on sex as a society. Don't get me wrong, safety is important, consent is important, but sex is natural. For me, expressing my sexuality looks like wholeheartedly loving my body. All my belly rolls, all the stretch marks and body hair. Expressing my sexuality looks like being open and unapologetic about my attraction to women. It looks like intimacy and presence during sex, not detachment. Eye contact, breath, movement. Sex is sacred. Sex is beautiful. Expressing my sexuality feels free, powerful, divine, and healing. Expressing my sexuality feels sexy, and it's okay to feel sexy. How did you sleep? Good. Hi, puppies. You going on a walk?
You ready to meditate?
Yeah, let's
And work
meditate.
out?
Yeah. We still need to get you a journal,
Yeah.
so you can journal with me.
I know. I slept pretty good, actually. I feel rested. And the day is beautiful, which is good.
Now, since this is the first time you're here, I'll explain a little about it. Gratitude includes feelings of thankfulness, kindness, and appreciation. And research shows that practicing gratitude every day can actually strengthen your immune system, lower your blood pressure, and increase your overall happiness by 10% or more. My favorite time to do meditations like this one is in the morning because it sets such a great tone for the rest of the day. But really, any time you choose to practice gratitude is a good one because it has such a positive impact on your happiness and your overall outlook in life. So with that said, let's begin. So just notice where your body is making contact with the surface beneath you. Take a moment to really feel where those connections are being made.
Yeah, like I'm burning up.
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder how these people were in there for so long.
I know.
Wow. That's hot. Wow.
I think we're gonna have to try to mix it. I don't know how though. I'll say it looks like it's ever.
You like walk?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, dig in. Oh my god, you got the time.
I know. But they were the first ships that touched my fingers.
Skunkwad, I didn't know you, buddy, but the few moments that I got to spend carrying you, I did notice that you had cute toe beans. Carry on into the afterlife, buddy.
What did you just do?
I just buried a skunk that was like over here in the camp, and you just picked up a bunch of glass that was over here in the camp. So to that I say,
So we're good for the day.
yeah. And now I think I'm actually just gonna back up so we can be door to door.
Yeah. Do you have to say something to the skunk, Maria?
Yeah, that I'm happy that it's in a better place now. Not scared that other animals will attack him. And not other animals are gonna eat him now because he's berry. So, I hope you're in a better place.
It wouldn't take much to move those rocks.
Hi, baby! Why you crush my dreams?
I bought some cigs at the market by your place. I gave up drinking again, it's been days. I need a buzz something that's not booze. So I'm lining up and hanging out with you. You brought me to your favorite place to eat. You pride yourself on your taste and company. I threw up in your bathroom upstairs. You could hurt me, and I doubt that I would care.
Why are you so crazy? Huh? Why are you so crazy? Oh.
Did you taste it?
No.
You want to taste it?
Is it good?
Oh my god!
She laid you down, so you're with me, killing time. And I never really enjoyed it all that much. I might fake it, but at least I'm getting touch. So go on and make me cry.
That's good. Very good.
I have some exciting news. I'm going to be going to Panama and Costa Rica for about the next month or so. So I thought I would show you what I packed and how I organized my bag. The first thing I used for organization are these packing cubes. I'm going to leave the link for these down below. These are so helpful for organizing my backpack. So I've been loving these. I just put all my clothes in them, and I brought 3 different packing cubes. I also brought a shampoo bar, a conditioner bar, and a body bar. The next thing I always bring when I travel internationally is my Kindle. I love reading and I read very often. So this Kindle is very compact considering I can have so many different books. I also carry this little lock because my backpack does have a little zipper that has the ability to be locked. So I keep all my important things in there like passports, money, credit cards, all of that stuff, and I lock that up. And I also bring a fanny pack. This is really helpful for travel days when you need to put your bus tickets or your passport, or you're going through the airport and you need all those things easily accessible. So yeah, that is everything I'm bringing to Costa Rica, and stay tuned because I'm going to be making a lot of videos in Central America.